In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the IPTV Smarters Pro authorization failed for above host error on your Samsung Smart TV. First, ensure that your internet connection is stable, as a weak connection can cause authorization issues. Start by opening the IPTV Smarters Pro app on your Samsung Smart TV. If you encounter the authorization error, exit the app and restart your TV. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Next, check the login details you're using. Make sure you have entered the correct username, password, and server URL provided by your IPTV service provider. Double-check for any typos, as even a small mistake can lead to authorization failures. If your login details are correct, try clearing the app's cache. To do this, go to Settings on your TV, navigate to Apps, find IPTV Smarters Pro, and select Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, reopen the app and re-enter your login credentials. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the IPTV Smarters Pro app. After reinstalling, open the app and enter your login details again. If you continue to experience problems, contact your IPTV service provider to ensure that your account is active and that there are no server issues. They may also provide you with updated login details if necessary. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.